What's the meaning of avian? Avian. Avian.
Avian. Avian. Avian is an adjective that refers to something related to birds or resembling birds. The term has its roots in the Latin word avis, which means bird. Avian is commonly used to describe characteristics of birds such as their feathers, beaks, wings, and flight patterns. It can also be used in areas related to bird research, such as avian biology, avian behavior, and avian ecology. Overall, avian is a versatile word that conveys the connection between a specific object, quality or trait with birds.